Do you ever hit send on a Zelle payment and immediately feel that cold wave of panic? We've all been there, that split second of worrying if you've sent $100 to a complete stranger because of a typo in an email address or a wrong digit in a phone number. With Zelle, once that money is gone, it's gone. It moves from your bank account to the recipients in minutes, and unlike a credit card payment, there is no built-in protection for authorized transactions. The key to safe Zelle use isn't just knowing who you're paying, it's confirming the exact information they have enrolled. This isn't just a simple name check, it's a verification process. Today, we're breaking down the 3 golden rules to verify your recipient's information before you tap that final button. Rule 1. Confirm the enrollment alias. The first, and most crucial step, happens before you even open the app. Ask your recipient to double-check their Zelle enrollment alias. Zelle links to a person's bank account using a unique identifier, an email address, or a U.S. mobile phone number. They may have 3 emails, but only one is enrolled with Zelle. You need to use that exact one. You should literally text or call them and say, "What is the exact email or mobile number you use for Zelle?" Do not rely on a contact you saved a year ago. A typo of one letter or number means you are sending money to a completely different person, or to no one at all. Rule 2. Look for the recipient name verification. This is the most powerful safety net Zelle provides. When you enter a new email or phone number and the person is already enrolled with Zelle, your bank's app will usually display their registered name for confirmation. When you go to the review screen, look for a message that says something like, "The recipient's name is John D. Doe." Now, here's the trick. Stop and compare that name to the person you intended to pay. If the name pops up and it matches your recipient, you are good to go. If the app doesn't show a name and says something generic like, "This person is not yet enrolled," or "We will notify them," that means the number or email you entered is not associated with an active Zelle account. You should cancel the transaction and ask the recipient to enroll their information first. Sending money to an unenrolled user adds risk, as they have a time limit to claim the money using that exact alias. Rule 3. Use the Zelle QR code. For maximum confidence, bypass typing altogether and use the Zelle QR code feature if your bank offers it. In your Zelle app, look for the QR code icon. You can use your phone's camera to scan a QR code provided by your recipient. When you scan their code, their enrolled contact information is automatically populated. This eliminates the risk of a typo entirely, and you'll still get the name verification displayed before you confirm the amount. It is a simple, modern way to ensure you're sending money to the intended party. Remember, once you hit send on Zelle, it's like handing over cash. Take a few extra seconds to confirm the alias, look for that recipient name verification, and use the QR code when you can. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.